Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome back to The Brief. I'm Kenny Simpson with the Simpson team. This week I want to talk about rates. Rates. I keep saying rates, but my gosh, rates are climbing at a rapid pace. I think the 30-year conforming fixed is reached 7%. Crazy, never thought I'd reach that. So rates are rising at a rapid rate. The Fed keeps raising rates as well. So what is going on? We really don't know. The Feds really want to slow this economy down, whether it's housing, stock market, spending, everything, and they are on a mad course to do that. The second thing I want to talk about is inventory. What's going on with San Diego? So it's interesting, right? Because things are kind of all over. So inventory is actually up a little bit from last week. New home listings are up as well, but sales are actually down and pending sales are actually down. So the market's just kind of like bouncing around and doing different things. Obviously, we still have historically low, in my opinion, historically low inventory on the market. So that's not really helping anything. So we'll continue to watch this. But as rates tick up, we might see a lot of people pull the house off the market because they're like, I'm just going to wait to see what happens. And honestly, nobody really knows what's going to happen in the future. That's why we shoot this week over week to follow the data, see what's going on. And the third thing I want to talk about is dealing with these rates, right? Whether you're a buyer, a seller, you're an agent, what do I do, right? So what we're talking about with clients, obviously, is ARM products. You know, can your client get into an ARM product that's might be way lower? We have some ARM products that are, in the 5s, so helping clients out. Also a 2-1 buy down where the seller can contribute and buy down that rate that could be many percentage points lower for the first year, 2 year. And then also just buying down the rate in general. So if the rate's at 7 and you got to get it down to 6, I can't believe I'm saying that, maybe you got to pay the 2 points. So the cost of capital is getting more expensive. Your payments are getting more expensive, but the opportunities might be coming, more available, right? As we'd say. So that's really what people need to focus on is the short term that's why people are looking at ARMs or maybe a 6-month ARM or maybe buying it down. They just need to get through the next year or two before rates come back down. They can refi out into some normal rate, whatever normal is, right? If you're at 7, maybe you're going to refi out into the 4s or 5s. We just don't know. But remember, as fast as rates go up, they can come back down. It's really going to be dependent on what's going on with the economy, what's going on with the money moving around, like what's going on with job situation. Also, there's so many crazy things going on in the world always, but right now we're at pivotal points where things are going to change. I appreciate you guys watching. Have a great week. Until then, we'll talk soon. Did you want to test?